Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing something different, something new for my channel. It's a 2000 Jeep Cherokee. We'll get it rebuilt and then we're gonna customize it throughout the series of the episodes. In today's video what we're doing is going to pick it up, bring it home, wash it, clean it, go through damages. Right now what I'm gonna do is hook my truck to that trailer and hit the road and go pick it up. We are pulling into this my relative's yard where the semi-truck guy delivered the Jeep to, because I didn't have enough place in my house. So he got a pretty big place over here. That's it. Got it stripped up, 3 straps should be good on it. Just going down the road. Let's take it to the house and we show you what we got. So that's what we have here. This is the damage. Let's open the hood. So that's the damage. Kind of made a small crease right here, and then made a crease right there. Frame rails look good, except over here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Right here on the corner, right there, it has a pretty bad bend. But let's go around this car. So that's the damage. It needs a header panel, new bumper, fender liner. The hood appears to be in a good condition. I mean, okay, to use it up, I can save it, get it fixed, repaint it. Here's a new windshield. Has a crack right here. This door over here has a small, looks like when they opened this door against this fender, they kind of bent this up over here a little bit, but I think the painter guy, he can fix this and put some Bondo and it'll be fine. Other than that, this car is in pretty good shape. I love that red color. All that looks good. The back looks good. The roof looks good. This side looks good, except for this door over here on the front. It's closed right now, and it has this gap. What I'm thinking is, when it hit right here, this fender pushed that hinge in and made that door go out like this. But when we put it on the frame and pull it, that should go in place. So, because you can see this gap over here, like it's supposed to be, and then when it gets to the top, it's almost overlapping. We'll need a new airbag, steering airbag, then passenger side airbag. The seats look in pretty good shape. These things have a common problem with the roof liner coming out and just hanging there. This one looks really good. The back looks pretty clean, I would say, for a 2000 Jeep anyways. The shocks will not hold this trunk, but it looks like it has some other parts from other car that possibly was involved in the accident. Smells like smoke in this Jeep, but that should go away after time. This side looks pretty clean. Just need a little bit vacuuming. Oops. I mean, everything looks in decent condition, I would say. For a 2000 Jeep, for 2000 model, looks really good. What I'm gonna do right now is vacuum it really good, cut out those airbags so they stay out of my way, and maybe give this thing a good wash. It cranks right out. Everything runs good on it. I'm not gonna run it for long because I think my radiator is busted, but starts right up. No check engine lights or nothing. Sounds good. It's really good haze over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off for now. Very clean, really clean interior, even though it was a smoker's car. But I don't see much burn spots at all. And all I did is vacuum. So if I get this thing steamed clean, it'll be nice. It'll be really clean interior. So I cleaned it inside. Let's go ahead and give it a good wash. Maybe wipe the interior a little bit and see how it looks. Dang it, boy. Looks better already. Nice and clean. I love that red color on it. Pretty clean inside and out. Gonna get a blower and blow it out as much as I can. Wipe the inside of it. And we'll be taking this thing apart. See what's up with it, how much I need to replace over here. Let's get to work and see where it takes us. Alright, so that's how it looks taken apart, and looks like the frame rail over here right on the edge is smashed up pretty good, so we might replace this corner piece, and I might as well replace this whole bottom piece over here, drill it out or cut it out, whatever I need to do here, and just replace this whole bottom piece also with this piece of frame rail in the front and all that, the apron and all that. I think we might save it, I don't know. My frame guy is gonna come and check it out, or I'll take it to him, we'll see. It has a kink over here in it. There's a kink here. I don't know. He might want to replace this. I don't want to replace it, but we'll see. This over here has a kink in it. Maybe if he pulls it, it will be fine. If not, if he wants to replace it, we'll go ahead and replace it, I guess. But this is it. So this is gonna be a wrap for today's video. Stay tuned for my next video coming up on this Jeep rebuild. I'm gonna take it to the frame guy, get the frame fixed on it, and possibly get it painted in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later in different videos.